Hello and welcome to Twist Fashion DIY. So I've seen loads of denim skirts on the high street, so I thought I'd make my own one from old jeans. This one I made so many years ago. The maxi skirt is definitely in, but then this I cut short. And then so I'll show you how to do that with these old jeans. So basically you just cut it apart. I'm going to cut the seam off. Where have my scissors gone? There they are. You could leave it on for extra frayiness. Well, actually they're going to fray like this anyway. So cut your trouser legs apart. Can also unpick the seam. That's obviously going to take a little bit longer. Then I'm going to cut up the front part because that's not going to sit flat, so you're going to overlap that. I'm just going to pin that and then obviously stitch it down. If you're not good with a sewing machine, you could always glue it. Just sort of line that up. That could be a bit straighter. And you can leave the edge to fray. So this is going to be quite a high-waisted skirt. And then depending if the split stops too soon, I'm just going to add a bit of material in the triangle here. And do the same for the back. So because it's got that curve, I'm just going to cut it open up to there and overlap that. And it was wearing quite thin here anyway, so I wouldn't have been able to wear them as jeans anymore. You could always look in a charity shop for some old jeans or trousers, even if you just wanted to make a skirt from trousers. So this might actually be a bit too low because the bum's there, so the split's going to come up quite high. It would work really well on wide leg jeans. Alright, so then I'm going to stitch that down and down there. Same to the front. And I'll show you what it looks like on.